Along, Ketokpon Bangela Puhenlo, Litung. The KATSSA on 28/11/2021 held a public meeting at the residence of Mr. Jiten Rongpi at around 12:30 regarding the body reshuffle of the constituency committee, and the meeting was preceded by Mr. Jiten Rongpi, President KATSSA Nilip Constituency Committee. In the presence of the following distinguished person, that is number 1, Samson Engti, President KATSSA CEC, and myself, Rangsina Teron, General Secretary KATSSA CEC, Biren Bey, Social Worker Koilamati, Rajas Teron, President KATSSA Lumbajong Constituency, and the following resolutions were adopted unanimously. The House appointed Mr. Jiten Rongpi as the new President of KATSSA Nilip Constituency Committee. The House resolved that the committee will take necessary steps in helping the villagers in applying land patta and approach the settlement officers to make transparent about the fees for applying any land patta on a notice board through government circular. Number 3, the House resolved that the committee will look after the issue of incomplete PMAYG rural urban of all blocks. Number 4, the House resolved that the committee will submit a memorandum to Honorable CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang regarding the long-standing demand of Nilip constituency for not getting any EM from 4 decades. Thank you.
Tokan no ke dua tumpan an setami picitang et nang po pacitang vek nang popu a target lo 2022 an ke lapo si PMAY ahem kitang te bang ke hok lo dak ni lipta isia blog lo ladak ta karap ne ke claim ne yadim ke lapo si prabjin pen bang ke ni tu mohop ke bangje hiti pini ke bom kurulo nilitum budbar brusti masih bang sini litum adon adim nilitum adim aklong ke humri si nang litum perangke bitung aphan kacuning ripen along tin kedam je phan nilitum budbar ani pen masin tum pangceng phetpo
ke RD kabi idet mate akaduri ki dokok ke gupia pot mah puson si nilitum penangan mathalo lasi pini nilipan mai phuang hoi nange pek cheng ani pen nilitum agenda atheke central KATSSA central committee to aphan nilitum kachuning riponji mate ala tumpen ki claim rape je pan akamatha mate karni pona bangke lahelo atheke longle pata karbia khai tum ke long akaduri along lat karbia khai aphan longle pata akizoi pen ke long oversight district council mate KATSSA hin pen hitame kamatha PG aphan lapen circle tin atum hitame kijum hek ador pen pata ki pithek ji aphan circular hey notice mate tarpang thek ki pithek ji aphan si nilitum kachuningri pon pedoji lapeni tum ke camera peji aphan si alang litum aphan phapon lapen arne pon kaprek dotulang atheke ladak nilitum nilip block along pendang lok karbiang long all block along sitame pinangan ahem so kikim mate PMAYG ahem atheke rural lapen urban aphan kikim pi ahem pinangan ke kitangti ni tum thek long lasi labangso kitangti dat ahem kape tang thek ji aphan unan pen chisong pi rapet sinang puson sitame ni tum central committee aphan karni pondo atheke non ke bangji bang pugilik aprang ahut unusonte patang det de puson sinili tum kamatha do kali pulotang te labangso hem jong si tangte det pulotang te mu apor kaprek apor hor bangke akimi ahem so nang kili thuji mate akimi PMAYG hem nang kili ji tame dopo halaphan sitame non piniar ni an sitame nang kili nodak ta la pinang ahem bangke incomplete joinelo